Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel K13 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now we have to enter the sound section. Let's tap. Now let's scroll down, tap on advanced, and as you can see right here we've got the, let's say, whole ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the, let's say, the first option. We've got also the notifications and the alarm sound. So let me show you how to do it using the ringtone, as I said at the very beginning of the video. And after tapping on it, we will be transferred to the full list of all available defaultly installed ringtones from which you can choose. If you will go to the very bottom of the list, you've got this option Add Ringtone, and thanks to this you will be transferred to your own files. So if you will have any compatible ones, for example downloaded, they will appear right here, or maybe not in the recents, but for example in the downloads, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. What's more, on the other hand, at the very top of this list we've got the option None, which is totally different. It is a total opposite of the previous option. So after picking it, your device will not notify you about the incoming call using the sound feedback, because of course you will still see the incoming call, but you will not hear any kind of music, any kind of sound or the ringtone. Okay, let me focus on how to change the ringtone. So if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, it's quite important. Just tap on it and you will be able to listen to it. I've got the device muted, so let me unmute it. Alright, and as you can see, you can hear the ringtone. You can check all of them if you want to. And if you're happy with your choice, for example this Cassiopeia or this Centaurus or whatever, just make sure that this option is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify you about the incoming call. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Oukitel K13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.